Go to the office. Gotta check in. Oh, almost fell off the boat. This is the boat life. We bought our very first sailboat just over a year ago.
Now we're full-time liveaboards, making our way to the Caribbean. We have learned a lot, but have so much more to learn.
Because basically we started with no sailing skills and very little boating experience. Did I mention this is our first boat?
Subscribe now so you don't miss out on our adventures.
I guarantee you'll be entertained. I can tell you that much for sure. Leave a comment below, tell us what you think about our videos. That's the boat life. Thanks for watching. We're headed to the boatyard.
Today is the first day. We're back on the water with our brand new, well, not new, fixed engine. Gotta run it up, and so far, so good. Tachometer's working, so we actually know how fast we're going. It's gonna be a good day.
Just gonna send it.
Let's run this bitch up. Infestation.
Yeah, love bugs are out.
They died off in the cold. Love bugs, they're not too bad. Mosquitoes for me are worse because they eat me alive, but the love bugs are they're just a nuisance. So do you have a bug that you hate on your boat? Tell us about it.
Well, there's Q-Fish Key over on this side.
Over there?
Yeah, it's funny because it's usually party central on the weekends. Woo!
Nobody there on the weekdays.
Yeah. Look how shallow it is over here. This is crazy.
There's a lot of shallow around here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's going right in front.
Well, the current's coming in through there where the bridge was, you know? So it wants to push us over to that shoal. So I'm like aiming for this island, and we're going straight.
Stay away from the shoal. Some porta potties.
We just got to the boatyard. I'm super proud of us as a team. It's a tight turn, and then we came right up to a dock. Perfect docking. Really proud. Melissa, excellent line handling. Excellent. Really getting this thing done.
Well, no. I'm saying we were successfully docked, and then they're like, hey, you gotta move, this barge is coming in. On the whole entire open side. So we were like, oh, we did great, because we docked with no boats around. But then we had to move it in between two boats. So basically we parallel parked right in time for the barge to come in.
Okay. Honey.
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
Okay, so I just went to the office.
Okay.
She was really nice. Thanks so much. We got 2 drink tickets for the restaurant.
Woohoo!
One of the perks of being in the boatyard that has a restaurant. Actually, 2 restaurants. But get this, how crazy is this? They had the owner of this whole shindig, like all the businesses. He just had a wedding this last weekend. So they were like, well, a little behind schedule. I'm like, yeah, everybody loves a good wedding. Part of time. But it was at Jewfish Key.
Oh, that's what all that stuff is from.
Yes,
On the
and
barge.
it gets better. They were all out there partying on Sunday on their boats where we flew the drone. What a small world. So we have footage of that. How cool is that?
Wow, that would be
Yeah,
cool
I was
if we
like,
got
whoa.
footage of their wedding.
So back to business.
Okay.
Put an extra coat bottom paint on. Pressure wash it. Do that seacock and check out the other tour hulls. There's also not too much to do. In all honesty, our boat is in pretty fucking good shape.
Except for the leak.
Well, but it wasn't a little leak. It's just a boat. Come on.
Love bug. Okay. Wait, we can go drink now?
Yeah.
Nice parallel parking job, dear.
Hey. Couldn't have done without you. The lines were critical in this one. But I was really impressed how we came around that corner, and then we went to that dock, and then we had to move from that dock, so we came off of it and came over to this dock right between the two boats. Now granted, this spot's a little bigger than our boat. You know, like we got what, 10, 15 feet, 5 in front and 10 in the back. But based on our progression of docking experience, nailed it.
Tightest spot you've ever parked the boat in.
You know what I mean? Let's take a closer look at what we're dealing with here.
Show me what you're working with.
Come this way.
Am I in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this here is the water line on the side that doesn't get a lot of sun. Looks pretty good. Paint looks pretty good. Everything's held up nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Decent.
I'm pleased with that. If that's what it looks like after a year, kudos. And we probably would get another year out of this bottom paint. All right, let's check out the seacock. Okay, you can see behind me, this is obviously not the seacock. This is the strainer from the outside, right? But this is the issue that we have. Sugar coral. It gets all up in here. And so we've been, you know, cleaning it. But I think this is probably what caused our motor issue, for one.
Air conditioning
our air conditioning issues
For
for two. So we're gonna probably do Marlon. This is brass right now. So we're probably gonna do Marlon for Marlon
strainer
instead of brass for the outside. I don't know if they call it a strainer, but we're gonna put a clamshell scoop intake. I don't know any of the names of this stuff, but I really don't though.
What's this thing?
That's our speed. The thing that doesn't work.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why doesn't it work?
It just doesn't work. I took it out and I cleaned it and everything. I think the sensor's kaput. Maybe it's a connection thing.
Interesting.
So we're gonna deal with these. Oh,
ow.
Oh, sorry, dear.
Or my head.
Oh, sorry. So we're gonna deal with those. That's the main thing. But that's not even really the problem. The problem is actually inside the boat. It's the seacock.
Yeah. We can't show you that right now.
No.
We don't have a ladder.
But let's take a look at the zincs. To the zinc!
Can you turn it?
Yeah. Maybe. See this zinc? Oh, he's falling apart in my hand, literally. That zinc, done, son.
Look
This
at
zinc?
the prop. Not such a pretty prop.
Oh, it's not a pretty prop anymore. It was such a pretty prop. Now it's an aged prop. We all get older. He did say it held up well. We did that by hand. There's the video on it. Remember? There's a video in the living room. Oh man, that was good. That was a good time.
You got high.
Oh gosh, I was so high. So high.
Okay, what about this zinc?
Oh, there's another zinc.
Down here. Gone. Well, it used to sit up to like here. It was like psh, psh, psh.
Yeah. Cool. That's pretty much it. Oh, wait, hold on. Show you this. Come over here. This is the side of the boat that when we're in our marina has the sun on it. Look at this. Look at it. This is that sugar coral. It is intense. It comes right off. But kinda.
No. Some of it.
Well, yeah.
Not like
So. What?
no bueno. Yeah. Boatyard. One thing after another.
But I hate to tell you guys this. I hate to break you the news. This was our cruising budget. We might have to do some side hustles. I'm not saying there's going to be a lull in videos. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. But
Yeah.
we'll see what happens. I just want to give you guys a heads up because you guys watch all our videos and really look forward to them, and I really look forward to putting them out. And I'm just as disappointed as you guys.
Probably more.
Maybe more. I don't know. We have some very dedicated followers. No, probably more. We found out the name of this boatyard from a friend of ours who's getting a bottom job, and we knew their boat was here, but we weren't sure how long it was going to be here. So we just came to check on our boat, and their boat's actually getting put in. So then we just ran into them. So now we're going to join them for lunch. That's the boat life. You just never know what's going to happen.
Yeah, that's true. It always works out.
That's true. I'm always saying that. I'm always saying it always works out. Not always the way you want it to, but it always works out.
Car.
Game on!
That's the boat life. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends, subscribe, like us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You know, we appreciate all the love everywhere on the internet.
Oh yeah.
Okay, for now we gotta run away from this rabid raccoon coming our way.
Run!
I'm not kidding. He's trying to live in our boat.
She's
Not cool.
So I'd like to do this. And I thought,
What?
You know, what else
Because
can
I have
do?
food and stuff in there and my clothes,
so
and
we do
that's
that.
gross.
And I said, okay.
Where'd he go?